Hi guys, come on in. Let's see what happened in today's video. Hi guys, I'm Gypsy Heart here. I neglected to film an intro today, so we went to New Orleans City Park today with my husband's sister, and we really had a great time just walking around, talking, and looking at the beautiful flowers, and basically people watch today, and that was really cool. I hadn't been to City Park since I was a child, so when you see like the Storyland character video clip, I played on those as a kid. They also have the New Orleans Museum of Art. They're also bringing the Children's Museum, Haslam Children's Museum, from on Julia Street in New Orleans to City Park, which I think would be really cool. We had to kind of leave because the weather started to change and we really didn't want to be caught too much out in the rain. This video contains mostly still
time.
pictures, so if you're not into that, it's okay. We are in City Park, New Orleans, and we're spending the day with my husband's sister, my favorite sister-in-law, who just happens to be my only sister-in-law. So we're gonna just ride around City Park. I used to hang out here when I was a kid. We are at City Park, and I haven't been here since I was a child. So now they have putt-putt golf and lots of beautiful flowers just planted randomly. And then the only time we ever get snow is in a cup in the summer. This is Storyville, or Storyland, And each of the things is a different childhood story or nursery rhyme. So we're gonna go get some pictures of over there. All right, this tree is probably 500 or 600 years old, and it's a huge oak tree. And then it sprawls out this way, and then it sprawls out into the branches of the next tree. The other side of that tree we're just on, and yep, that's thunder. But like, check out the branches. I mean, these trees are hundreds and hundreds of years old. I'll link the video from Nola Deej that shows you the oak tree that's 800 years old in this park, because I'm not exactly sure where that tree is, but his video will be in the sink. Another section. This was my favorite one. The old woman who lived in the shoe. She had so many children she didn't know what to do. Chris was helping the duck walk across the street.
I should have borrowed some cash from Gary. Drive over there if the weather will hold that. It's just right on that side.
Okay. Where'd he go? Oh, I hear him.
Oh, you hear him?
Are you calling your children because it's going to rain? Huh? This is Lake Pontchartrain. You used to be able to swim in it, which is where I learned how to swim, but they closed it from swimming many, many years ago due to some sort of algae in the water. But people used to come out with their like muscle cars and their show cars and just have like hot rod races up and down. And they don't do that anymore because since Hurricane Katrina, things have changed a lot. So there's also, we're gonna pass in front of a restaurant that I have gone to before called Bart's on the Lake. A very, very expensive restaurant. And Katrina just kind of took it down. So the buildings that you're going to see in this clip are newly constructed since Hurricane Katrina. Alright guys, sorry today's video is short. We really just wanted to spend time with my husband's sister. So it was really fun to go out and hang out today. And again, thank you, Kathy. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, y'all know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't, ring the bell so you know, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.